Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will discuss the rating control in Power Apps Canvas app. The rating control is used to collect feedback from users in the form of stars. We usually use it in Canvas app when we want user to rate something like app experience, service quality or product feedback. Instead of typing feedback, user can simply select a rating from 1 to 5 star, which make the app more user friendly. So this is a blank canvas app. Now first we will insert a rating control. Go to the insert and search as rating control. Under the input click on rating from here. Now the rating control is visible in our app. Next we will insert a text label to display the selected rating value. Now select this label, go to the text property and remove the existing text and add rating 1 dot value. Rating 1 is the name of our rating control and dot value return the selected star value. For example, if the user select 2 star, it will return 2, and if the user select 4 star, it will return 4. Now I will increase the font size of this label. So go to the properties panel and increase the font size from here and add a color so the rating value is clearly visible. Now let's preview the app. If I give a 2-star rating, you can see 2 in the label. And if I give a 4-star rating, the label shows a 4. So in this video, we covered how to use the rating control in Power App Canvas app and how to display its value using a label. Thanks for watching.